In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a survey in Constant Contact. This is a simple way to collect feedback, gather preferences, or learn more about your audience, all from inside your Constant Contact account. Once you are logged in, start by heading to the Audience area. In the main navigation, look for Audience, and then select Surveys. This section is where Constant Contact keeps your survey tools, including anything you have created before and the option to build something new. Taking a moment to confirm you are in the Surveys area first helps you avoid creating content in the wrong part of the platform. Next, click Create a Survey. This opens the survey editor where you can build your survey by adding questions and arranging them in the order you want. Before you add anything, it helps to keep your goal in mind, so each question supports what you are trying to learn. Clear, focused questions usually lead to better responses. Now you will add your questions using question blocks. In the editor, drag the question blocks you need into your survey. You will typically see options like multiple choice and text. Multiple choice is useful when you want quick, consistent answers that are easy to review later. Text questions are better when you want open-ended feedback in your contact's own words. As you drag each block into place, take time to make the wording simple and direct. Keep questions short and avoid combining two ideas into one question, because that can confuse respondents. You can also think about the order of your questions, starting with the easiest ones first, so people are more likely to finish. When your survey looks the way you want, click Activate. Activating your survey makes it live and generates a permanent link. This link is what you will share with your audience, whether you place it in an email, post it on social media, or add it to a website. After you copy the link, store it somewhere safe so you can reuse it later without hunting for it again. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.